This Lisle truck anchor pin bushing kit is a purpose-built pneumatic driver set that makes servicing heavy truck and trailer brake anchor pin bushings far faster and more controlled than hammer and punch methods. The included long driver shaft is designed so you can drive bushings straight in or out, while the hub assembly stays in place, which saves a lot of teardown time in the shop. A reversible cone head snaps securely onto the driver, giving you a dedicated end for pressing new bushings in and another end for pushing stubborn ones out. The tool is sized to handle common 1 3/8 inch brake anchor pin bushings, so it fits the applications most heavy-duty technicians see every day. It also works well on many truck leaf spring bushings, adding extra versatility for suspension work without needing a separate specialty kit. Despite being a robust steel tool built for frequent pneumatic use, it comes in a compact, reasonably light package that is easy to store in a service truck or toolbox.